Intro.
Yeah, I will fix that with you tonight.
Oh, you're gonna fix that with me tonight? Okay, this is a table that we were getting ready to put together, but it's damaged. Let me put it up here.
So we're going to just
You're back with the Carltons again, and on our last video we were going to video putting this table together, but as you can see, it is damaged.
yeah, and we got to only put the chairs.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the chairs together, and the company, we discussed it with the company, and they're supposed to be getting us another table or something. But well, we're gonna move on and go to the chairs. Let's stuff out here. Bolts.
So here's the
bolts
chair
everywhere.
backs.
Let's see if we can
Hey Mason.
kind of slide this out of the way.
Mason. What you eating? He don't care about me. He don't want to care to talk to me.
Dad,
Yes, sir. All right, let me slide this box that away. Get us a little room here.
what do you mean
All
it's
right.
not fit?
All right, let's check out the chairs. Make sure they're not tore up. Yeah, that's one bottom. It looks to be in good condition. Set that to the side. Excuse me, boo-boo. That one looks to be in good condition.
I'm going to
You
check
helping
this one.
me? Okay, you check that one. We'll move on to the next one. You're a super duper helper, you know
Are we
that?
going to fix the table tonight?
No, we're not going to mess with it right now.
We're not going to
That
fix
chair
it?
looks to be in good condition. No, sir.
Not going to fix it tonight? Well, I want to fix it today with you.
Well, we're going to work on the chairs.
Chairs first?
Yes, sir.
The table's broke, Mason.
Huh?
The table's broke.
I know. I want to fix it.
Alright, that chair looks like it's in pretty good shape. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Legs, back.
Oh, I can't break it.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, just lay it right there. We'll watch your cereal. Alright, let's see here. We're going to have, alright, 4 legs in this box. These are the front legs, I suppose. Oh, maybe. Let's see what else these are. Really nice. Alright. 4 more legs. Some people have a hard time putting all this thing up together.
You have tools and a watch?
No. Let's see what we have here. We need some tools. Alright, let's go to the
All those screws are missing.
English instructions here. Yeah. Jugo de Komodo. No, that's not English.
All those screws are missing.
There's your tail, that's not English. The symbol de sala, that's not English. Ah, here we go, English. Customer service. Let's get to the chairs. Chair, here we go.
Let's show them
Upside
the
down.
chairs.
Upside down, here we go, alright. The chairs. The backs, and then the front legs, the short ones are front legs, of course. Let's see if we got anything here. That's not the table. Alright. So we need an Allen wrench. Did it come with the Allen wrench? Where's the Allen wrench? have to get us out.
How's that?
How's that, sir? Hey, don't do that. You got a messy face now.
Does this one work?
I think that was gonna be too small. It's gonna have to fit like that size. I think it's way too small. Way too small. That's okay.
But here, you hold the camera and I'll go get one. At least look for one. Show them your stuff.
Hey, son.
Mommy.
Say cheese.
Baby.
Cheeseburger.
Baby.
Pee-pee, what you eating there?
Baby.
You got you some cereal.
No, pee.
Oh, don't say that. I hope it's not that at least. All right, Jacob's going to find us a Allen wrench. Let's see, which one did we use here?
Yeah, I can't find one.
You can't find one. What?
I'll take the camera back down.
It probably fell out in the box because there should have been one with the kit. Yeah, because it was right here with these screws, so it's probably in that box. Let's take a look.
Let's go dig. We're gonna go digging for an Allen wrench.
Oh, wait, there's more bolts and stuff.
I'm looking for it in the box.
Here it is.
There it is. Bingo. And all the screws that are in there are probably the ones we need. Let's look and see what this calls for. Alright. What's easy, fella?
Did you find all of them?
I don't know. We'll just use the ones we got until we run out. Alright, 5. 5 and 6.
Mason, what cereal you eating?
6 and 6.
Lucky.
They're not Lucky Charms. They're Fruity Pebbles.
5 and 6.
You need these now?
They don't match any of them. Let's just see if it's long enough. Let's see.
Will it fall apart if we put the table on it?
Do what?
Will the whole thing fall apart if we put the table on it?
Well, the table's broke, so we're not going to do that right now. Alright, 5 and 6. Alright, these are 5, and these are 6. So all the ones that are loose are 7. They're not the ones for the chair. So we got to move to these. Boy, oh boy, what a ton of stuff here.
Will the Allen wrench still fit all of them?
Yeah, they all the same Allen head, I believe. Yep, bingo. Alright, so these are the backs. So that means...
You mean
they
the
go like
front?
that? Does they go like that?
Yeah.
No, it goes like this.
No?
No.
Does
What? No, if it does not. Alright, center.
Why?
Okay, one goes in the center.
Why?
Up, you on my directions, boo-boo.
Am I on the English?
Yeah, you're on my English directions. Oh, let's see here. All right, number 5 with a flat washer and a lock washer. A whole row of both. Let's see here.
Show them what you're doing.
All right, I'm getting the flat washers and lock washers out. And here's the lock washer. Say what?
They can't see nothing you're doing.
Okay, hold on.
That's fine.
Everything, yeah.
I know.
5 of these are 5s. These are the short ones. All right, then we got a lock washer and a flat washer. And we're just sticking these in if you want to come around this way and look in there. But basically, we're just gonna stick that through there and line that up. All right, now number 6. That's these long boogers.
Boogers?
Yeah, these long screws. And with them also,
Dad, how do I get that
Yeah.
screw out?
I have a lock washer and a flat washer.
Dad, how do I get the screw out?
Washer.
I got it.
Just like that. Super duper, buddy.
What?
I'll get that
Give me
started.
one. Is it these ones?
No, they're the wrong ones.
Oh, give me one. Give me it. Give me one.
Anyway, basically we're going to
Give
do.
me one, Dad.
Give you one what? This one is these long ones. This long one like that. That and a flat washer. We got to put the lock washer on
This,
first.
this.
No, that's not the right one.
Oh, give me one. Give me.
I gave you one right there. Right there. Put the lock washer on first and then the flat washer.
Dad, where do I put it?
There it goes right here in that hole there.
How do
Oh boy.
how do I put it all the way in?
You have to screw it.
You gotta twist.
Turn it clockwise. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Like this?
Mhm.
Is it this way?
You're doing it right.
Is this the right way?
That is the right way.
Well, they decided to play music.
Is that good, Daddy? Dad, is that good? Dad, is that good?
That is super, buddy. You got it right. Now let me tighten them up here.
I gotta get in
You
here.
always want to put
better
your
angle.
screws, all your screws in first. If you go and tighten them first, then as you're going, you won't get them in there.
I want to do it.
Now, Daddy had to do this part, Sugar.
Why?
Cause Daddy has to. Hey, you gonna fight me for that? Give me that back. Give me that back. Try tightening it.
How do I do it?
You turn it. Oh man, same way. Oh, good. I made a mess.
This gonna be a shaky video.
Why is it shake video?
Cause I tried to get y'all in what he's doing at the same time. Tried to get
Hey,
y'all.
can you give me a paper towel, Sugar? I knocked Mason's cereal over a little bit.
What?
Can you get me a paper towel? Give me 2 or 3 paper towels. All right, now you gotta go this way, Sugar. Just like this.
Oh. Oh, this way?
At least he's doing it right.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Just to be nice, I gave you 4.
Alrighty. Thank you, ma'am. Get that mess there.
We don't want them to be.
I didn't film the mess.
Do what?
I didn't video the mess.
Okay, that's good. Alright, that's good enough for now.
Good enough is all gone.
That is
It was all gone.
That is almost good.
Almost good, buddy. Alright, while he's tightening that, we're gonna move on to the next one.
Next, share. Oh.
Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's see. What else do we have here? Alright, on
I
these
think the heart.
alright, we need the number 7s. Alright, these gonna be these.
Yeah, these are.
The one that we had to find.
Are
all
you
loose in the
recording
box.
me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, again, a flat washer and a lock washer. A lock washer first, of course.
Yeah, we need it.
Don't bump your head.
That is it right? Is it right tight?
Yeah, just tighten up best you can, and I'll go behind you and check them.
Hey, give me the light.
You want it all, don't you, buddy?
I got it so they can see what you doing up there because it's darker up there. At least he shined the light halfway on it.
Yeah, that's okay.
Maybe we can see it better.
All right.
Dad,
Yes, sir.
Dad,
Yeah.
it's hard to twist.
Okay, go to the next one then.
Wait, I think it twists on the next one. Won't twist.
Right, we'll go to the next one.
Oh, this one? Next one?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see it, buddy. I'm gonna try to twist this one.
That bed is turning up.
It's going behind you. Let me see this one. This one right here.
Hey, Jacob, you know I got
Okay.
to do it.
Jacob, you know he's got to do it.
Well, let me let me hold the light.
Outside.
Let me hold the light.
What did all them screws that you find in here, Jake?
I laid them over here.
Oh, where?
Why you need 6?
Well, we're gonna
Over
need
there.
4 for each front leg, set of front legs.
I thought you had all the 7 ones. Because they were in the
Maybe
package.
Mason's, no, the 7s were the ones that fell out.
Mm.
The 7s were all over the box.
We're going on a screw.
I can't do that one.
Oh, Mason's sitting on top of them. No wonder.
Mason was sitting on top of all the screws.
All the number 7s that we have found, at least. All right. Good deal.
Mason,
Another leg here.
Mason, look at the camera. Were you sitting on top of the screws?
His name is John C.
John C.
John C.
I don't know who that is.
Where?
Dad.
Yes, sir.
Dad, we can't put the shader together. If a screw is loose. Put it. Dad, I can't put the screw tight.
Well, just tighten it best you can, and we'll check behind you.
Is this the sevens?
Isabella?
Is this the sevens? This the sevens? Dad, is this the sevens?
No, the long ones are the 7s.
Oh, these ones are the sevens?
Yes, they are.
Even this one is the seven?
Yes. All right.
You almost fell over.
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's see here.
Mason. What's my name?
Jacob John C.
Jacob John C. Who is John C?
You're saying John Cena.
John
Right.
C.
Watch it.
Bump, bump.
Oh,
Now, wait a minute. You got the right one? Yes, you do. Now, hold on, let me give you a different washer. That washer's just a big one. It's not for that. Now, hold it. This one right here. Now you hit the right. You can put the lock washer back on.
oh, that's a 7 lock washer.
That is a number 3 lock washer.
Oh.
All right, just stick it up in there and.
Right here.
Yes, sir.
I want to go in.
It's there. You just got to turn it.
Right this way?
No, other way.
That block.
Oh boy. Let's see, I can slide in behind you here. And get this one started. The manual way.
Hey, Dad. Can you help me?
I can.
Can you help me? I can't do that one.
There we go. Alrighty. Tighten that up. And
Where were the lock washers? Right here?
no, it's the little small washers.
Where was
The ones that's got the little split in them there.
where are the the big washers.
There, a whole row of them too. And we got that tight. Oh boy.
Oh boy. My chair's done.
Yes, sir. One chair is almost finished.
Wait, I thought this was.
Alright, since it's almost done, you wanna
I thought this was
hey Dad,
where you can
Yeah.
pull,
You wanna do
pull
the
it down
outro?
and up. Dad, I thought
All
this.
right, guys.
I thought this was
There's a lot of people watching.
the chair that you pull it down and up.
Okay.
we'll wait till
Let's finish this one up. Step back for just a second. Let me finish tightening it so we can sit up here so the fans can see what we have built here.
fans. That's a bit.
Yeah, you got fans now.
No, that's a bit strong.
Step back, Mason, for a second. Let me get where you are, Sugar.
Okay, guys, let's put the chair up.
Hold on.
Dad, are you ready?
Wait a minute, let me put a little snugging on here.
Snuggling on them.
Yeah, snug them down a little bit more.
Snuggle.
Are you good at the game? Are you good at the game?
Now you ready? Snuggle. Buggle. Snuggle bubble. Ready, snuggle buggle.
Okay, since you're good at the game, here, take this.
Yeah, 3 years later.
Since you're good at the game, take that.
Wah, wah, wah.
You got one of them done.
Hey, Dad, one is
Out of
wiggling.
1, 2, 3,
Dad,
4.
one is wiggling.
That's okay, it's just loose. We
Out
haven't
of
tightened
4
it.
chairs, got
We're
one of
good
them
on
done.
tightening that one up.
But it's wiggling.
I know, we've got to tighten that one up. Let's hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Are you a werewolf?
Hey, be careful there. Somebody's open.
Oh,
No! I died! No! I would have killed that person.
what are you howling for?
OMG. He only has 4 kills. How do you get 4 kills?
Is it a full moon?
Dang,
Alright, you ready to set it up?
Alright guys, here we have the finished product. Everything's tight. You want to help me? You grab the back of it and let's set it up here. Oh, good gracious. Look at that.
Alright, let's do a
Nice
test
looking
seat. Hey, how about...
It looks like a butt in the middle.
chair. Yeah, it's kind of carved out that way.
Alright, Dad, have a seat.
Alright, let's see if we can...
Alright.
Oh, what? Good job, Mason. Alright guys, there it is. That's assembling a chair. Too bad we couldn't do the table, but 3 more chairs, and once we get our table, then we can put that together. But I guess for now, that's all, folks.
Or the